okay.
Shoulders okay?
Yeah. So I think this is Praia De São Beach. I don't know if pretty sure actually I didn't pronounce it right. Yeah, it's like significantly lower there, you can see.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful not to drop this.
Yeah, you'll never get the sand out.
No, it won't work anymore if I drop it in the water.
Oh, in the water. I think in the sand. I mean, it is water resistant, but no.
Ooh, yeah, you're not going in that.
Okay.
That's chilly.
They're really shallow. All right, we're gonna go check out the beach for a little bit while Kyle eats his olives.
Munching on some black olives from this morning.
So we're gonna go check it out and see how nice the sand is and how cold the water is. And
then we're going out to dinner.
Then we're going out to dinner. God, it's so heavy.
It's okay.
Shoulders okay?
Yeah. So I think this is Praia De São Beach. I don't know if pretty sure actually I didn't pronounce it right. Yeah, it's like significantly lower there, you can see.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful not to drop this.
Yeah, you'll never get the sand out.
No, it won't work anymore if I drop it in the water.
Oh, in the water. I think in the sand. I mean, it is water resistant, but no.
Ooh, yeah, you're not going in that.
Okay.
That's chilly.
They're really shallow.
Gets warmer as you go out, right?
Yeah, keep going now. It's actually not that bad.
Water's so blue.
That keel.
What?
But that's a little cooler.
Chili. Lots of shells. Ah! Ooh. Bop, 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 bop.
Sorry.
I was the drunk one, don't worry. Steak. That one looks like a steak. Found a good shell. And a big shell. Looking for some more good shells. Whoa, that was bigger than I was expecting. No. I just found a style of shell that I found a lot of, like is this one. And sometimes they have some really cool coloring. This one's a little bit better. But sometimes they have like really dark purples and like blacks in them and stuff. I think they're really cool. Trying to stay out of the water, start drying my feet out so I don't get sand in my socks. Well, that's the end of our nice little walk on the beach. I don't know what this video is going to be. It may just be some music with the walk or whatever. But thought we wanted to share a little bit of the beach with you because we don't really know how much we're actually going to get to it here. We had some time. So we're about to head off to dinner. Get some seafood. Enjoy the rest of the evening. And then tomorrow we have some planning to do, but I think we've got an idea for some fun stuff. Maybe more beach. We will see. So until then, we will see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. See ya.